Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2020 Toyota Corolla SE CVT upgrade package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in celestite gray. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and a smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. There's our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. We're going to take a look in the front first. This Corolla does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Taking a look in the door. On the bottom you have some storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you have your different lighting options as well as a heated steering wheel. Equipped with all-weather mats. And if we take a look on the bottom of the seats, you will find your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside. It is a push to start, foot on the brake. First, we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster right here will help you navigate through your multi-information display located right in front of you. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. Moving to the right, you have your Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic cruise control, lane departure assist, and your cruise control speed settings right next to it. Onto our screen here, right now we're on home. We got a split screen with whatever audio might be playing and any device that might be connected. You can go to audio. That'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options, of course. You also have a choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There's that backup camera. Moving down to our climate control system, nice and simple. Turning dials here, nice and smooth. Underneath, you have your driver and passenger heated seats as well as your key wireless charger. Press that button, that green light will come up. You can place your phone right in there and that'll charge right up without any cables. Behind your shifter, you do have your 2 cup holders and center console. Plenty of space. Does also feature a 12-volt outlet and a USB port. Moving to the glove box, nice and simple, just plenty of space in there as well. Now we're just gonna close that up. Before we open the cargo up, let's take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door you do have some storage just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats. Down in the center here, if we pull this down, you got a nice little armrest that also features 2 cup holders. Behind the front passenger seat, you do have a nice little pocket for some extra storage. So to open up, all we got to do is hold this 3rd button on the key fob and that trunk will open for you. Nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this sedan. Of course, we have the folding seats that do go down in case you need that extra bit of room. And lastly, underneath here, you do have your tools and your spare tire to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Corolla. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.